This is from my friend. These are my budgies. The white one with blue on it is Rio. The blue one with black is Blue. I have a fairly simple setup. Perch up there, and that swing is messed up for now. My newest addition to the family. This is basically showing off my parakeets, but also helping a friend out. First, just so you can see the feet, slowly put my finger up. And I'm raising it up, so that's how you get them step up. Or you can just, there, it's already learned. There, both feet up. And you can slowly take it out of the cage. So, like I said, this is me showing off my new parakeets and also me showing how to get your parakeet to step up. Now, if they're brand new, because I only had these guys for 3 days. If they're brand new, just keep on trying. Do not let them settle in and get used to the surroundings, because they still also got to get used to you.